Welcome back to Chinese Zero to Hero, where we offer complete video courses that take fresh beginners all the way to fluency, from HSK 1 all the way to HSK 6. From our HSK 1 video course, we selected this lesson and made it available on YouTube for a limited time only. Enjoy! Back in Grammar 1.5.3, we looked at how to ask for people's age. How old are you? 你几岁? Or we can add a l at the end of the sentence to indicate change. Right? How old have you become? 你几岁了? How old are you right now? 你几岁了? But here's a problem. 几岁 is usually used on younger people. For example, asking for kids' age. But if you say this to an elderly person, for example, it would be kind of offensive. In this grammar video, we'll look at more polite and more generic ways of asking people's age. Now, do you think this is useful? Yeah, because you want to be polite, right? You don't want to be rude and offend older people by asking them their age in the wrong way. By the way, in China, it's not so offensive asking people's age as in Western cultures. It's perfectly normal to just, first meeting someone and just ask them, oh, how old are you, right? It's not offensive at all. Let's turn our textbooks to page 33 and let's look at grammar note number 4. As we have already seen in Grammar 1.5.3, 你几岁了 expresses how old are you. In order to make it more generic and make it work for older people, we can replace the phrase 几岁 with 多大. 多大, right? 多 means a lot or how many, and 大 means big. So 多大 together means like how big are you? How big have you become? Actually, this is a more generic way of asking people's age. 你多大了? For example, how old is your daughter? 你女儿几岁了? Becomes 你女儿多大了? 你女儿多大了? So as you can see, 多大 can be used for younger people and older people, whereas 几岁 can only be used for younger people. How old is teacher Li? 李老师几岁了? 李老师几岁了? Yeah, this is a little bit offensive for 李老师 probably because he might be older than you, right? So you can be more polite by using 多大? 李老师多大了? Ken, 你今年多大了?
我今年20岁了。你今年多大了？ John 多大了？ John 33岁了。
All right, time for a little bit of practice. How do you say how old is her daughter? If you found this lesson useful, you'll love our complete HSK1 video course. We teach you grammar, vocabulary, and pronunciation with 74 videos, as well as interactive flashcards and Chinese character worksheets. Our course uses a textbook called HSK1 Standard Course, which you need to buy from a bookstore yourself. All the courses have the first unit available as free preview. Once you've selected a course, just scroll down to the curriculum section and click Preview. To browse our collection of courses, click the square button on the screen. Remember, once you purchase a course, you own it forever. No more recurring subscription fees, ever. See you in the course.